All right, guys, Saturday, December the 28th, just coming up to about 9 a.m. And hopefully you guys had an awesome Christmas and holiday like I did. We are back in the garage this morning and just waiting for my buddy Sean and Les to pick me up. We're going to go for breakfast. And then we're going to go on a bit of an adventure and go up to Sean's storage location where he's got a few cars stored, including a couple of Mark I Capri body shells that we're going to have a look at for potentially a future project on this channel. So I'll take the camera along and we'll see what Sean's got. All right, we're in this super secret storage location and we're having a look at a couple of Mark I Capris here. This is the one, if you recall, we pulled out of a barn, and I just looked back at one of the videos, just had a comment on it this morning, as a matter of fact. This we pulled out of a barn in 2012. Hard to believe it's that long ago. Anyway, here is the potential donor car. This is a 73 Mark I. So, looks to be in pretty good shape. Do you know the engine in this one, Sean? And got full interior in this one as well. And then there's a couple more Mark I's over here. Shells. A little dark in this barn here, so it's kind of hard to see. But good parts car. This one with a sunroof.
This one's complete and runs, actually.
Yeah. And the green one. What's wrong with the green one, do you know?
Nothing.
So, old wire hubcaps on that one. So yeah, a couple of good potential projects, to be sure. So back to the 73. So we're just looking at it. It's an old 2-liter in this one. And again, I know it's a little dark in here, but the body's in good shape. See, Les? You see your light? Oops. I'll pick that up. The dash is in much better shape in this one than the other one.
Got no cracks.
Dash pad's got a few cracks in it, but in much better shape. Interior is still a little worse for wear, but not as bad as the other one, that's for sure. Yeah.
That's good. The only rust that I know of on this car was that's obvious was right down under here.
Yeah. So we're just looking at the A-post here, and apparently this is where a lot of them go, so there's a little bit of rust there.
Check to this side.
And it's hard to get to the other side. It's tight. A little bit of bubbling there, but not too bad.
No.
No major dents. Those look pretty good.
Did you film both of them? All of them? Both of them for us?
It's on now.
We may as well film both.
can't hear your voice up.
Oh, I thought that's such a nice. See the sunroof?
Yeah.
Glass? That's all. In England, that glass is $150. Crazy.
Alright, so that was a tour of the green 73. We think that's a 73, right?
Might be a 72 even.
72, that's 2.6. This one's a 2.6. So, this one's very solid shell-wise. And as mentioned, sunroof car.
Factory.
No engine in the brown one, right?
No.
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 With the green one was driven in here.
Yep.
And parked. So, 4-speed. The brown one was an automatic, you said?
Yeah.
Alright, secret storage location number 2. A toy store. Snowmobiles, bikes, ATVs. Capri. And a JPS Capri. Why are the 4-ways on, Sean? So this is a Mark II, right? Or Mark III?
Mark II.
Mark II? .8 liter? Cool.
$28,000 kilometers. Maybe.
28,000 K.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Right?
Exactly the same as this, except you had a cool on a roof on it.
Oh, did it? I thought you had a big sticker on it. Mark II.
Oh, it did say 3.2.
Yeah.
Just sitting at the kitchen table Sunday morning and trying to upload a video, and my hard drive is full. So our hard drives are full. Well, the hard drive, the internal hard drive on my computer is full. So we're just going through some of the external drives, and we're trying to clean up the picture files that I have and get them a little bit more organized so I can find things a little bit easier. And having done restorations for the past 12 years, I've taken quite a few photos. Now, if you can see so far, 38,000 photos on this one 4 terabyte hard drive alone and counting. And I've got another 1 terabyte drive on this side that we're going to go through. So yeah, it's a major cleanup mode and major organizational mode here in the Tush Mahal today. So we're going to do that before we get back on track and start posting videos. Obviously I can't post any videos until I clear some space up on the internal hard drive on my laptop, so that's what we're doing this morning. So all part of the process if you're going to make videos and upload them to YouTube on a fairly frequent basis. Not as frequent as I'd like, but anyway, part of the process. Alright guys, Monday, December the 31st, I believe. It's either the 31st or I think it's the 30th actually. Let's go with the 30th. Anyway, getting pretty close to the new year. Just thought I'd come out into the garage and do a quick update on the Capris that we went to see a couple of days ago now. So next steps on the Capri project, our potential Capri project, is to find some ownerships for the cars that we have up in storage. There's no sense working on a project if you don't have ownership and you can't get the car back on the road, registered for the road here in Ontario, Canada. I know that, for example, the Ghia, the Capri Ghia that we pulled out of the barn several years ago now, if you can believe it. I think that was in 2012. Anyway, that doesn't have an ownership, so that would be a difficult car to get back on the road. I really want a Mark 1 Capri anyway, so there were 3 Mark 1s up there to choose from. So we'll see what the best potential candidate for a restoration will be based on ownership, if we can find an ownership. We do have some ownerships, but over the years the cars have been stored, the ownerships get misplaced, etc. So we need to dig those up before we go too much further. So yeah, it looks like a good potential project there for the future. It's not like we need a project at the moment, since we have a couple of projects, ongoing with the TR250, and we've obviously got the 59 TR3 at the side of the house, sort of halfway done as well, along with a few other projects in queue. So the Capri would definitely have to be towards the end of the queue that we have going at the moment. So that's where we are as far as the Capri is concerned. The other thing I've been working on over the last couple days is I've had some issues with my computer storage. My hard drive is full on my laptop, and that's not the first time that it's filled up. It fills up pretty quickly, as you can imagine, with the videos that I take and the photos of my projects. So having to move some files off the computer so I can actually upload more files. So of course that project has sort of morphed into a little more than I want it to be. I'm actually trying to do making a better effort of getting things organized so I can find them. I've got about 50,000 photos, I think, and I think about close to 700 videos now. So it's getting a little bit difficult to find things when I need to find things for reference. So I've spent the last couple days trying to organize things a little bit better in there, and that's taken me away from the garage. So anyway, we hope to get it back out here tomorrow. We've got the heat in the garage at the moment, so it's about plus 15 Celsius in here, which is quite nice. Comfy and cozy. It's about plus 6 outside, so not too cold, although extremely windy. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. That's the update. So hopefully we'll have cleared enough space on the hard drive to get this video downloaded from the camera and then uploaded to YouTube. So we'll head back inside and see if the computer has done its magic and moved some files over to an external hard drive and make some space. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.